Good morning, 10%ers. It is Friday, July 27th, and we're back with another live trading the first 30. We have three stocks on watch: TEAM, Team, and TTPH, and another one we don't have up on the charts, but I have on another chart is AWX that we're keeping an eye on. We've got all our levels set out for pre-market, and we've looked at the daily charts. We have news on both of these stocks. We're looking at the 1 minute, 2 minute, and the 5 minute chart. The 5 minute chart is the most respected in intraday trading. But as you know, I oddly like to trade off the 2 minute, so that's what I'll be keeping an eye on. So as we come into the open of the day, we've got 1 minute to the bell. We are going to see what we can do. I've set my share level for Team. It is a $70 some stock, so we're looking at trading 2,500 shares on that, and TTPH we're looking at trading 10,000 shares maximum on that. We have 30 seconds to the bell. Got a couple pre-market signals here on Team, TEAM. I don't think we're going to trade that. But what we will keep an eye on a Team coming out of the gate. We've broken down this gapper on TTPH is broken down pretty good. We're way away from the pre-market high, but we're pretty close on Team for the pre-market high. So we'll see what happens for the first minute or two, and we're going to look for a break over that pre-market high. So it's breaking down. We don't have any signals on anything yet. Long signal here. We'll look at breaking this candle at 307. See if we got any strength coming in. Got decent volume. See if we can't take a little bit of profit off of this real quick. See if it's going to hold up. We're still in with a limit order at 307. Basically, we're looking to break the high of this pre-market candle. Okay, we're in. I'm just going to look to take a little bit of profit. Or maybe the market's going to look to take a little bit of profit from us. All right, so we're going to get out of that. We're going to switch back over to excuse me. All right, 78.20 is about where we are for the pre-market high. Step back for a second, take a look. TTPH got us for $500 early this morning. Team is breaking down, showing a little bit of green candle there. All right. A bit slow this morning, just being patient, just waiting for the setup. All right, 78.20 was our level. We'll look to get in as it breaks up over 78. So 78 is right here. Trying to get in somewhere between 78 and 78.20. 78.20 is the high pre-market. See if it pulls back for us. We're at 78.49 and it's breaking back down. All right, made $225 on that. Make up for our misstep on TTBH. That was not a good looking trade. I'm sorry about that. All right, we are 4 minutes in. Just waiting to see what happens here. We're gonna reverse off of this, or we're gonna continue to surge. Looks like it's gonna surge a little bit. We really missed that entry there. It executed exactly how we thought it was gonna execute, and we just missed it. It ran without us. All right, we're in with 10,000 shares, 304 on TTPH. See if we can't recover a little bit on this. And we just came up to VWAP. We hit VWAP, kind of broke back down. All right, we got $400 of profit out of that little pop. See what's going on now. All right, so we are 5 minutes in, up $125. Feels a little hectic this morning. All right, we got a couple signals. We'll see if this breaks back down. We want to break down probably, I would say 78. Looking right here, 78.50. Just short that. See if we can't have some better looking trades here. All right, we got an order in there, 78.50. We're looking for that to break down. Basically trying to get a quick reversal off of, okay, so we're in there. Popped up. Oh, that was not a good exit. Too much slippage. So we're still up $250 on team for the morning. All right, we got back in. Looking for it to pop. Pop back down that high day mark. Let's look at the 1 minute real quick. We got a candle there. Oh, we just can't get it filled. Not good. All right, I reversed it. See if we can't get some back on the back end. Not quite sure what just happened there. All right, we're gonna sit tight for a second. We are down $450 for the morning. $70.08. Yeah, somebody's got a big sell off right there. Let's see if we can't break this down under VWAP. It's trying to break down under the high pre-market. It's popping, hitting VWAP. I want to see what it does. It's getting some strength back. Trying to figure out which direction it wants to go. Volume's extremely low. We got a big seller sitting at 78. See what this candle does for us. I don't see the strength. It may be wrong. This is a 1 minute. That 1 minute's coming up, hitting pre-market. If it pops back down, we'll get out. All right. So we made back a little bit. We are down $200 on the morning. It is 8:41. Oh, look at it. It went the other direction. It kept going, kept breaking down. We should have held it. It's too extended to the downside to get in now. We'll take it on the bounce back up. All right, we need to break that moving average, get over that VWAP, and see if we can't break pre-market highs again. The 1 minute's looking good, making a new high. Just testing VWAP there. Sitting on the 20. It's an EMA. go. We got a little surge of volume there. All right, so we're up 1,000 on TEAM. See if we have a bottom bounce here on TTPH. We're oversold in the VWAP, broken down under the 20 EMA. RSI is oversold. Let's see if we can't get a little profit on this. At least come out green for TTPH. We've got a 1 minute signal. We're waiting for the 2 minute confirmation. TEAM is running. We've already had that trade. All right, we're in there. Down 200. Just waiting for it to move. Could have been a false signal, false indicator, false breakout. So pull back here, pull back here. You know, here's the 1 minute chart. Let's take a look at the 5 minute real quick. We opened, we pulled back. So on the 5 minute, this is the first pullback. So I'm hoping we have a little bit of a run. We are down $1 on this. At least come back up to the 20 EMA there. Broken even. We're curling back around on team. We're going to miss it. We're out there. I'm jumping back over on team. Team has been 78.99, 78.99. See if we can't get another short on team real quick. We are 8:47 for the morning. What's going on? Why is my order not coming in? Okay, I'm not sure we messed that up, didn't we? Okay, so we're flush there, 78.99. I'm gonna break down, make a new low. I think we bought my TTPH instead of selling. I wish there was a chat room going on right now. Somebody could have told me that. Anyway, at least we're flush. We're flat for TTPH for the day. We're up 1,000 on team, and we're going to see if we can't get into this movement right now. Bond stuff are overbought. Made a new low. Now we're in. Pulling down to the 20 EMA. All right, I just went ahead and took some profit there. So we're up $1,700. And it is 8:48. 12 minutes left. And it continues to pull down. So we've had an interesting morning. We went red to green. We were down on both of these. We're flush on TTPH and up 1700 for TEAM. AWX over here, my other chart, is basically done nothing. It's moved from a low of 569 to a high of 572, and none of it looks good. It's rather choppy. There was it had a pullback and then surged up, and right after the surge up, it pulled back from 621 to 551 in a 2-minute candle. All right, so we've got let's look at the 5-minute on TEAM. So we've just got a green to red, green to red, red to green, red to green. So we're still pulling down. We will. This is the one. This is it's the second or third pullback on the 1-minute. We're really on the 5-minute. If you look at the 5-minute, we almost look flat. So if we can get over this high again, so at 38 we're back in. So right there. We'll move that up to 39. Nothing's going on TTPH. We keep getting signal, keeps going away. $78.50-ish, 78.40 is the level we're looking at. I just don't think it's got it. I'm going to put that in and get back over to the chart here. What are we thinking? Is it going to move? I don't think it's going to get back up there. I'm hoping I'm wrong. I really don't trust the pullback on this until we come back up and break over that pre-market. And we may have one more surge. We're here to trade, so let's do some trades. It's 8:52. We got 8 minutes left. We're looking at the 78.50 level. Drop it down off that, say 78.43. The reason that's the level is it's the pre-market high, and we've broken it twice. You know, this is I guess this is really the third pullback. I mean, if you count that pullback off of pre-market, so we don't want to trade the third pullback. So let's see what happens here. We may just take our $1,700 and go home. We got $1,700 out of the market this morning. My trades have been very sloppy, I must say. Probably feeling a little lucky that we're up $1,700 at this point. It's been a long day, long morning. Didn't sleep well. Probably shouldn't even be trading. We have 6 minutes left. $1,700, nothing to scoff at. If we could all make $1,700 a day, 249 trading days a year, that's a good $400,000 a year. I really think we took a third of the profit that we should have taken today. That's what I mean by sloppy. I mean, look what we have here. Look at the setup I've got. Get in here, get in here, get in here. Here too. There's nothing but profit here. This is a little tight, but that's profit. Um, you know, we're showing nothing for our efforts on TTPH. That's ridiculous. And we should be up. We should be up 3,000 on a team. Is really where we should be sitting. You can't. $1,700 is great, but we're gonna have a red day, and I could use that extra $1,500 to pad that red day. Now look at it break down there. Imagine if we would have stayed in this. So we got in at about the break of the whole dollar, let's say 79. It is at 76.32, running down almost 3 points now. So when I say we should be up 3,000, maybe what I should be saying is that we should be up 10,000. That is a $7,000 move with the share size we were trading. The thing is, you just never know. You can't know that it's going to keep breaking down like that. And we got to take profit when we take it. I mean, we need to lock in our profit. We want to come out green for the day. We could be getting another surge right here. We got this pivot level from pre-market to breakover, 77. Let's say 77.20. I don't even think I would bother with it unless we break over the 20 EMA. We'll see. We've got 3 minutes left to the bell. I'm sorry, to the bell. We've got 3 minutes left in the first 30. I'm going to call it. The first 30's up for me, $1,700. I feel like I'm trying to force another trade on TAM, so I'm going to shut down and say it's a day. And there's our indicator. Nothing's going to happen. So I hope all you 10%ers have had a good morning. Only 10% of us come out green, and I hope all of you were in the 10% this morning. I've got more strategies to build, stocks to trade, and videos to make. So I will see you next time, July 27th, the first 30, and we're up 1,700, TAM 1,700, and flush on TTPH. Took no trades on AWX. I will see you guys next time.